Hello friends, this is Nalin, your 3D friend. In this video I'm going to talk about my new course. So you can see behind there, it's my new course. I have just released it on Udemy, and I think the day before yesterday, and people are starting to enroll to this course. If you want to learn character modeling, and let's say you have not done any character models before, I think this is the best course to start. So this course is based on stylized character modeling. So this is not realistic one. So it's kind of good for beginners. So if beginners try to learn realistic model directly, as you know, I have one of my course which is for realistic characters. That's kind of tough for beginners. So beginners should always start from basic stylized good looking characters, and this course is perfect for that. If you want to learn Zbrush and you want to create characters for game and movies, and you want to know the full pipeline of creating the character model, so I have started this character inside Zbrush, starting from scratch, nothing. I didn't use Maya for this, to create the baseness. So I started literally from nothing inside Zbrush. Then I saw how to create the baseness, how to create the blocking by using G-sphere, Dynamesh, and very good combination technique. Basically people use either Dynamesh or G-sphere. So here I have used I have used both of them, and then I show you how to create stylized models, how I model stylized characters inside studios like Dhruva or Lakshya. So if you want to learn character modeling, I definitely recommend this course, and the course is about $10, and I think it's worth the money. And it took more than 2 months to make this one. And I want to talk about one more thing, that is the payment option. So many guys they can't pay. So like the Indian guys, they don't have credit card and PayPal to pay the course fee. So if you have that problem, let's say you don't have any credit card or PayPal, you can mail me or you can send me a message, and you can go to my Facebook page, or you can mail me. I'm putting my mail ID. Sorry, I'm putting my mail ID. You can mail me and just say me, hey friend, I want this course, and I will give you the payment option to I will definitely give you my bank account number so that you can transfer the money. As soon as I get the money, I'll send you the link of the course. So you don't have to have credit card for the course, and it's special for Indian students. So yeah, so that's it. And if you have any queries, any doubt regarding the course you want to clear before you purchase, you can definitely message me, or you can put a comment here on this video. And thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.